Imagine we have a factory with a robot, for example located here at DFKI on Saarland University campus, and we want to interact with it. But we are not stationed on site, but rather remote somewhere else in the world. So we created a mixed reality system for remote human-robot collaboration. Connected via the internet, we could have a remote engineer sitting in London or a technician in Madrid who wants to provide remote service. Not bound to physical proximity, we even could have a collaborator located in Beijing or anywhere else on the world. Our system has a central messaging server which receives and distributes all communication between the devices and users. The server runs the at DFKI developed text software, short for Thrift Event-Based Communication Service. The devices and clients subscribe to specific events at the server and then receive the position of each other and of interactable objects in the factory, so they can collaborate with our users in the factory environment. First, we have our robot, a Baxter from Rethink Robotics. For recognizing the work environment, we use a camera running a recognition software called Euphoria. Finally, we have several clients that can connect to the system and interact with it. The system can handle a mixture of traditional, virtual and augmented reality devices. In our demo, we use the HTC Vive, a simple desktop application, a Samsung Gear VR and a Google Tango tablet. All remote clients can connect to our system in a matter of seconds, irrelevant of where you are. As you can see here, using the HTC Vive, the Samsung Gear VR, and our desktop client. On the local side, you can log in with the augmented reality tablet to monitor and interact with the other users. Once immersed in the virtual reality environment, you can interact with the robot by picking up and placing blocks. The robot will then try immediately to fulfill the move request. It is also possible to stack blocks. While one user is sending a request to the robot, input will be blocked for all users. This is shown by a red padlock in the user's client. If connected, the clients can see each other in the virtual or the augmented room. To communicate, they can send predefined or self-created text messages that will be displayed over their head and in the chat history. It's also possible to send a range of predefined pictures or smileys to convey meaning. To mark a place in the room, you can also place stickers on objects or in the air.
Ausziehen. So, ich glaube, das war unser Endshot.